Hi, everyone. Okay, so we just finished our lesson talking about the KE and the VE at the end of words. So let's go over worksheet number 46, and we're going to fill this side in, and then you're going to go do the other one by yourself. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at the rule on the worksheet. It says spelling with CK, K, and KE. When spelling with the final K sound, CK is found after a short vowel. K is found after a consonant or a vowel digraph, and KE is found after a long vowel. That might be a good idea to highlight that rule. It's pretty important. It'll help you decide how to fill in the blanks. The other rule, spelling with V or VE. It says spell the final V sound with VE. Spell the V sound in any other position with V. Okay, so let's get started. First one, we have W-I-N, wing. So what do we need to put there? We're going to put a K. Make sure you're doing this worksheet with me so you'll understand how to do the backside. Next one, we have mark. So we're going to put just K. Next one, deck. Short vowel sound, so that will be a CK. Number 4, long A sound. So when you're looking at our rules, remember these rules right here we talked about are pretty important. That will help you decide. So we have take. Number 5, we have a short vowel sound. So we will have a C-A. Okay? And you know what? We're going to cross out that C sound. We have the K, but we don't really hear the C there, so let's cross that out. Number 6, brick, short vowel. So C-K. Number 7, we could have put shack, but it has a long A sound on this word. So we're going to call shake, K-E, call it the K-E sound. Next, clerk, clerk. We have a final K, we have a K back for that sound. All right, let's look at the next section. All right, we're going to decide on a V or a VE. It says spell final V's sounds with VE and all others are plain V. So let's look at 9. It begins with a V. So we're going to put just a V, not VE. We already have an E there. Number 10, we have a final V sound. So we're going to put VE. It is a quiet V. Or a quiet E, excuse me, and a K back. And let's code it with macron. Number 11, save. V-E, quiet, macron. Number 12, vest. It begins with a V, so we're going to do front V, breathe, and I've got to breathe on number 9. Okay, vest. Number 13, verb. Beginning V, have a combination. Number 14, vat. Vat. Breathe. Okay, number 15, invest. Invest. So we're going to put our V here. We have 2 syllables, invest. We also have V, C, C, V. And we have short vowel sound, invest. And we're going to accent the last syllable on this one. And the last one, dive. V-E at the end is a quiet E and it's a long I sound. Okay, guys, we are finished. Go and flip your paper over, finish the back side by yourself. Have a great day.